We're staying on top of that breaking news out of Alaska. That is new video from the city of Kodiak, where tsunami warning sirens were activated after a magnitude 7.9 earthquake. That earthquake hit just off the coast, triggering the tsunami warning. Kodiak police report waters in their harbor have begun receding. They are telling everyone to get to higher ground. It's also worth mentioning it is in the middle of the night there, just after 3 a.m. Many people are asleep. We will keep an eye on this for you. Of course, we are watching it closely.
Wow, scary.